I love zucchini any time of the year, but zucchini is one of my favorites on the griddle. Throw in some mushrooms, peppers, onions. This one is my go-to side dish paired with any protein on the Blackstone. You're gonna love it. It's full of Tuscan herb and garlic, just the way I like things. Let me show you guys how to take and make this one. You better get it at home. I love zucchini any time of the year, but come summertime, it just hits different on the Blackstone. We start off with some garden zucchinis, chop these up, get them into a bowl. I love adding some red onions, chopped up the same size, then we'll throw in a red bell pepper, and for me, I've got to have mushrooms. I love the flavor of these. This one is seriously my go-to dish with anything else that I'm cooking on the Blackstone. I love tossing it together in a large mixing bowl or stick it in a Ziploc baggie, let it marinate in a little bit of olive oil. I go heavy on the Tuscan herb. It's got all of the Italian seasonings and spices that I like. Give this a toss. Then once you're ready, get your Blackstone on medium to medium high heat, depending on how crispy or tender you like your veggies. Drop them down, spread them out, then let them just hang out and get that nice char on one side. Before we pull these off, towards the end, I like to add a little bit more olive oil. Either fresh garlic or this garlic paste is a super easy shortcut. Of course, we have to finish with a post dust of our Tuscan herb just to zhuzh things up. I promise you guys, this is my favorite go-to side dish any time of the year. I even eat these leftover cold, so take it and make a big batch at home. I promise you, you're gonna love it just as much as I do. Ooh, you know what else? Throw some eggs in this for breakfast, leftover. There's so many things you could do with this. Add them to a quesadilla. Okay, in the next video. See you guys later. Ooh.